Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. As you all know, till yesterday we have already discussed about three things from the chapter money. First thing was pre-monetary economy, how the economy functioned before the money's advent, and then we discussed about its limitations and all the limitations about the system and all, and then we proceeded on to the definition of money and the components of money, and after that we had discussed about money supply yesterday. So today we are going to discuss about measures of money supply. The first, we will be discussing only the first part today in this lesson, and then we will proceed on to the next lesson in our next class. Okay, so first of all, the topic for today is measures of money supply. And measures of money supply, according to the RBI or the Reserve Bank of India, there are four measures of money supply in India, namely M1, M2, M3 and M4. Okay, now we will discuss about only M1 in this lesson, and then after that we will discuss about the rest three in our next lecture. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about M1, and M1 basically comprises of three things: currency and coins with public, demand deposits of commercial banks, and other deposits with RBI. Okay, so let us know about these three components of M1. The very first component, that is currency and coins with public, we have discussed about this earlier in case of the components of money also. So currency and coins with the public is nothing but the cash with the public, cash either in the form of currency notes or in the form of coins. Okay, and second, demand deposits of commercial banks. First of all, we need to know what do you mean by demand deposits. Demand deposits are all those deposits in the bank which can be withdrawn as and when the depositor wants to withdraw it. Okay, so demand deposits basically comprises of two types of accounts, that is current account deposits and saving accounts deposit. And current accounts deposit is basically kept by businessmen and all, so that they can withdraw their money from the bank as whatever on whatever time they want and as many times as they want. Okay, but savings account deposit is bit different from current account deposit. There are certain restrictions in savings account deposit. You cannot withdraw money more than 4 or 5 times a month, and even if you are withdrawing the money from your ATM also, then you must have seen that there are certain limitations. You can't withdraw more than 10,000 or 20,000 rupees on a day. Not only that, in the entire month you can withdraw 3 times in metro cities and 5 times in small cities and towns. And after those transactions, if you want to withdraw more money, if you want to withdraw money more than 5 times or more than 3 times, then they will allow you, but you have to pay a fee for that. Okay, so you must have known about this when you withdraw the money from ATM or when your parents withdraw the money from ATM. Basically, demand deposits are those deposits on which the depositors or the public can withdraw their money on their demand, that is according to their need they can withdraw the money. Okay, and the third part, which is a bit new to us, that is other deposits with RBI. What does this other deposits with RBI means? It has mainly two parts. Okay, first part is that it includes all those deposits made by foreign governments and banks with the RBI. Okay, keep in mind it's foreign banks and governments. Okay, not the Indian government or Indian banks. Clear? And not only that, it also includes foreign institutions or the global institutions like World Bank, International Monetary Fund, Asian Development Bank, etc. Okay, And this is the first part, and in second part it is clearly written over here that it does not include deposits of the Indian government and commercial banks with RBI. So it will not include deposits made by Indian government, may it be the central government or may it be the state governments, and commercial banks which are functioning within India. Okay, hope you all have understood about it, and if there is any problem you can always let me know. Thank you.